Many people think translation is simple. You take words from one language and replace them with words from another. Problem solved, or so it seems. But real translation does not work that way. Why? Because words carry more than meanings. They also carry history, culture, and emotion. Now imagine the word home. Many learners think it simply means a place to live. But home is not the same as house. A house is a building. A home is something more. It can suggest comfort, family, belonging, and safety. Now notice this. Not every language has a single word for all those ideas. That creates a translation problem. Imagine this sentence. I finally came home. What should a translator emphasize? The building or the feeling? Now notice this. Both choices can be reasonable, yet neither choice captures everything. Translation involves choices, and every choice changes something. Now consider culture. Some words describe things from a specific culture. Take the word pub. A dictionary can define it, but a definition is not enough. A pub carries social and cultural meaning. Now imagine translating that idea. The building may survive. The culture may not. Now consider emotion. Think about these words. Mother, mom, mommy, and mama. They refer to the same person, but they do not feel the same. Some sound formal, some sound warm, some sound childish. Now imagine translating them. The meaning may survive, the emotion may change. Now notice this. History creates problems too. Consider these words: freedom and liberty. Their meanings are very similar, but their histories are different. Freedom comes from older English roots. Liberty arrived later through French influence. A translator sometimes needs to understand history, not just vocabulary. Now, consider another challenge. Good translators often disagree, not because one is wrong, but because languages offer many possibilities. One translator values maximum accuracy. Another values natural style. A third values emotional impact. All three versions may be defensible. Now notice this. A translation may capture the basic meaning, yet lose some feeling, or preserve the feeling, while sacrificing some accuracy. That is not a translation failure. It is simply the nature of translation. The goal is not copying words. The goal is transferring meaning as closely as possible. That is why perfect translation is impossible. But good translation is still possible. Languages are different. Human ideas are shared. Same message, different words. And that difference is what makes language fascinating.